This video shows you the new features of Werckmeister 1.0.3. With this release we have 3 new conduction rule selectors, and the first one is the Octave Selector. The Octave Selector selects any event where its pitch is in the range of a given octave. So let's have a look on an example. We have here a major scale in several octaves, and now with the new selector I can put rules on these specific octaves. Here, for example, with every increasing octave I increase the velocity and decrease the duration. Next one is the degree selector. The degree selector selects a MIDI event which was created during rendering, a template and its degrees. And what that means, in this example we have a template here, and according to that a few chords. So and with the new degree selector I can now select any event which are related to this degree here. So for example, I want to select the 1 and put that 1 degree, 1 octave higher. So, and now every one is 1 octave higher, and we have a kind of inversion here. And similar to that we have the chord selector. Instead of selecting degrees we can select chords. So it selects a MIDI event which was created during rendering a specific chord. So then let's have a look into an example. This time we have not an arpeggio here, we play in a chord for a whole bar. So let's say we want to put rules on the G7 chord, and we can do that by selecting now the G7 chord, and let's say we want to decrease the velocity about 50%, and also let's decrease the duration. And we cannot just only select chords, we can also select chord qualities. And let's say we want to select major 7 chords and minor 7 chords. So we write X major 7 and X minor 7, and now with that so that's about it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.